Do you know you can earn up to 45% return on investment on the real estate investment buyback scheme? Hello everyone, welcome to another real estate investment tips. And today we'll be talking about the real estate investment buyback scheme as one of the ways by which smart investors are now investing in real estate and making it out big. So make sure you watch this video to the end as I promise to explain to you the way real estate buyback investment scheme works, how you can benefit from it, and also what are the modalities to follow in order for you to also benefit from this wonderful scheme. So join me at the end of the video where I'll be explaining this to you in the full. So let's go. So welcome. Now to start with, let's talk about real estate investment. There are ways by which investors are now investing in real estate, which include land banking method, rental income method, and also the real estate investment buyback method. So these ways are the ways by which real estate investors are now using to invest in real estate, and they are making it in a very big way. So before we go to the real estate buyback investment scheme, let's do a brief explanation of the first two that we first discussed about, which is the land banking and also the rental income model. Land banking is when investors secure landed properties in a developing location with the intention of selling the property after a period of time when a lot of development has come up in that location, which will definitely increase the value of that particular property. So there was a time when people started investing in a location like Ajah, Lekki, when it was still in a bush. But now, the value of the property now has really gone up, and that is why you can see that real estate land banking is a very good way by which you can invest and make money after a period of time. So people are now investing in locations like Ekpe, Ibeju, Lekki as land banking, so that in the nearest future, when the value of that location has gone up very well, they can now resell and make a very good return on investment on the property. Number two, let's talk about the rental income model. The rental income model is when an investor secured a property, residential property or commercial property, be it shop, offices, warehouses, or residential property like flats, apartment, terraces, with the intention of putting it on a rental income so that it can generate active or passive return on investment for the investor. So this is another way by which investors can as well make it big in the real estate. And the major one that we want to talk about today, which is the real estate buyback scheme, is a method by which real estate investors invest with a reputable real estate organization that is into buying or selling or developing of real estate property, with the intention that when the properties they bought, when they sold it, then the profit on that property is going to be shared between the investor and the real estate company. That is a simple way we can define what real estate investment buyback scheme is. So how does it work? The way real estate investment buyback scheme work is that the real estate company gather funds from investors. As we all know that OPM, other people's money, is one of the strategies by which most businesses use to invest to develop their project as well. So this money that is generated from investors, this real estate company will now gather the money together to go and buy property in a developing location, a location whereby there is high promise of high return on investment, so that when this property is gotten and when the property is sold, then the profit on that transaction is going to be shared between the developer and all the investors that they have. This is a very lovely way by which investors are using to also cash out in real estate. With this model, even an investor does not even need to buy a single property. All you just need to do is to invest with this real estate company that have the track record of what they have been doing. They have been successful in the past. they have been successful currently, and also there is a futuristic assurance that they will keep succeeding because of the level of development and also the portfolio that they have. So when these investors invest with this real estate company, the money can now be used to now secure landed properties or even building a property and resell to people that wants to buy the property. And when this is done, the funds that is gotten, the return on investment, the profit that is gotten from the sale of this property is going to be shared among all the investors and the real estate company itself. So you can see this is a win-win situation for everyone that participated in the selling of those real estate. So what is the collateral? Now, the collateral for your investment is valuable property as well. This real estate company will give you properties that is equivalent to the amount of investment that you put in. If you put in 20 million naira for your investment, you are going to be given a property that was 20 million naira. If you invested 10 million naira, you are going to get a property that's worth 10 million naira. Even if you invest with 1 million naira, you are going to get a property that is equivalent of that 1 million naira. So this will give you the assurance that even if anything goes wrong, you have a property that worth that amount of money that you have invested in to fall back on. So this is also another way to see that this is a win-win situation for everyone. If there's anything that goes wrong, you have a property, you have a landed property to fall on. So this gives this real estate investment a very secured base because you are having a property that's worth the amount of your investment as your collateral. So what am I getting as the document of my purchase, of my investment? Good. Now, with the real estate company that we partnered with for the real estate buyback scheme, we offer you 20% return on investment in 6 months and also 45% return on investment in 12 months. So let's assume that you invest 10 million naira. In 12 months, you are going to get 14.5 million naira, and in 12 months and in 6 months, you are getting 12 million naira on your return on investment. So you can see this is a very lovely way of which you can save your money ahead of inflation. If you keep that same amount of money in the bank, I can tell you categorically that you cannot earn that much within 6 months or 12 months. So rather than allowing inflation to be eaten down on your money, why not putting it in real estate trading, whereby the money can be used to buy real estate, and when the real estate is resold, you are having return on investment 20% in 6 months or 45% in 1 year with your investment. And what are the collateral that you are going to get? What are the documentations that you are going to have when you partner with us on this real estate investment scheme? Number one, you are going to get a receipt. You are going to get deed of assignment of your investment. That deed of assignment covers that the amount of the value of property that you are going to be allocated for in that documentation. You will also get post-dated check. So we are going to write a post-dated check for you when the maturity of your investment has come. Easily take that post-dated check and take it to the bank and get your return on investment. So you are going to get your investment money and also the return on investment of the money. So if you did 10 million naira 6 months, so after 6 months you are getting 12 million naira in your account. That is how we have done this. And investors that have done this, both in Nigeria and in diaspora, are really smiling to the bank to get their money on their return on investment that they did with us. So in summary, you can see that this is a lovely way by which you can invest your money to save your money ahead of inflation, to make sure that your investment portfolio keeps going up with real estate investment. So for more information of how you can invest in this real estate investment buyback scheme, then do well to contact us, call the number below, then we can discuss it further with you in order for you to as well earn it big in the real estate world. If this is the first time of you coming across our YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel and also give us a thumb up so that you can see our videos anytime we drop new videos on our page. My name is Father Ahmed Lawal, the lead consultant for Property Lab Nigeria. Our job is to ensure you get the best real estate deals that give you a return on investment. Thanks for watching and have a lovely time. Bye.